Hello, this is Dr. Szymanski. Today we're going to talk about motivation and specifically how it relates to gifted students. What do we mean when we talk about motivation? We know that motivated people are more successful and happy in their lives. So how do we get our students to be motivated for schoolwork? And what might explain when they're not? Even though some people think that gifted people should be motivated all the time, that is not necessarily true. Motivation depends on the situation and the person. Think about it. Are you 100% at 100% of the time? There are basically two types of motivation. We want to strive to develop intrinsic motivation in our gifted students so that they will want to accomplish things and learn because of what exists within them, because of their own personal interest. Notice the difference between intrinsic and extrinsic goals. Things like grades, awards, certificates, those are extrinsic and can actually reduce motivation. According to DC and Ryan, there are three areas that relate to create intrinsic motivation. They are competence, relatedness, and autonomy. These three components are required for motivation. It is important for teachers, parents, and others in charge of students to be autonomy supportive to help them develop intrinsic motivation. Some ways to be autonomy supportive are to allow choices, encourage independent thoughts, and respect the individual. Giving kids as much choice as possible is a way to increase intrinsic motivation, allowing them to take control of their own learning. The expectancy value theory looks at what does a person think their odds are of being successful times how much they value the success. Anything times 0 will equal 0, which explains some motivation. In order to understand and improve motivation, it is important that we consider these questions. How we respond to them will help to improve our students' motivation or decrease it.